We are going to see how to edit the construction elements in the Architecture tab, using the tools in the Edit group of the top toolbar. First of all, the Edit option allows us to click on each element and modify its reference, label, level, adjustment, properties, and colour. We can also modify the characteristics of each element by clicking on the BIM model option in the first group on the left. In the panel, we search for the desired element and click on the Edit option. To copy or move an element, the procedure is identical. After clicking on the corresponding option, we select the element or elements with the left mouse button and we confirm with the right. Next, we click on two different points with the left mouse button to define the distance at which we want to carry out the movement or copy. We can copy the properties from some elements to others. First of all, we click on the element from which we want to obtain the desired properties. After marking these properties and accepting, we select the elements whose properties we want to modify, and finally, we confirm by clicking on the right button. To delete an element, simply click on the corresponding element in the Edit group. Select the element to be deleted and confirm with the right button. We can also delete elements from the tables accessible in the BIM model option, using the Delete option. To rotate a group of elements, we select them by clicking on the left button. After confirming with the right button, we click on the center of rotation and we define the rotation angle. We can use the Allows for dimensions to be defined upon introducing each element option, so that the program allows us to write the desired rotation angle. The elements will be rotated on the XY plane. We can use the Edit Geometry option in the Vertical Elements and Horizontal Elements menus to adjust the geometry of the different elements. After clicking on the option, the program allows us to select and move the points that define the outline of a wall or floor slab. The Move Element option is similar to the previous one and allows us to move points of the geometry of architectural elements, such as weld a drain in a slope formation. Finally, the program also contains tools for measuring areas and lengths in the Edit group. To do this, first we click on the Measure Area or Measure Length options, and then on the points that define a line or a surface. If we need to make adjustments to the geometry of the measurement, we can use the Erase the last introduced point and Erase all introduced points option at any time. We can also click on Delete Measurements to delete the entered dimensions.